Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friends? And how are you, my lovely and lovable students? Dear children, happiness is your responsibility. Every man's responsibility. Every man's responsibility is to work for his happiness. Nobody is going to work for your happiness. Why should anybody work for your happiness? You yourself have to work for your happiness. You yourself have to work out how to be happy. Does anybody know in the world what makes you happy? Can anybody know what makes you happy? Should anybody know more than you what makes you happy? Is there anybody who loves you so much as to know about the secret of your happiness? Maybe. Maybe there are a few people. But the point is, happiness is every man's own responsibility. Everybody has to work out the ways and means which bring him the happiness of his liking. Nobody can do that. No government can do that. For example, there are 24 5 crore people living in Pakistan. Can the prime minister, the president, the chief minister of a province know what makes this, that, or that man, woman happy? Does every man living in the street where there you are living know what makes you happy? Does every member of the society you are a part of know about the key to your happiness? Does every citizen living in the country know what makes you happy? And should he bother about what makes you happy? In a nutshell, briefly speaking, only you are the person who knows exactly the key to your happiness, the key to your joy. Only you know about your satisfaction level. Only you know what brings you peace of mind. Your happiness, your peace of mind, your satisfaction should depend upon what you are doing, should depend upon what you are saying. Your happiness should depend upon what you yourself do or say. More than anybody else, you should know the key to your happiness. And your happiness should not depend upon what others do or say. What others doing, what others are doing or saying. If your happiness depends upon what others are doing or saying, you will never be happy. Why should others do what you expect from them? They bother about their own problems. They have their own issues. That is why nobody comes up to the level of our expectations. Because our expectations are groundless. baseless, meaningless, logicless. Others are doing what they find best for themselves. They are not doing what they find the best for you. And if somebody does something which you find best for yourself, it is his kindness. And this kindness is very rare, very uncommon. So, your happiness should depend upon what you are doing or saying. Agar if your happiness depends upon what others are doing or saying, you will always be unhappy. I will discuss this point in next lecture.